everyone say hello, teacher. Hello, teacher. Then, good job, everyone. Now, everyone, how are you today, everyone? How are you today? Yes, I am happy. I am good. Okay, now everyone, look outside. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's rainy. Yes. Okay, now everyone, where are you from? Everyone say, I'm from Vietnam. Good job. Now, everyone, it's song time. Now, everyone, let's sing and dance along with the teacher. Okay? Now, let's sing the song. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Big and small. Big and small. Big, small. Big and small. Big, small. Please, no thank you. 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 Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast, slow, slow. Fast and slow. Fast, slow. Loud and quiet. Loud and quiet. Shh. Quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud. Shh. Quiet. Peek-a-poo. 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 Very good, everyone. Good job. Okay, everyone. Now, we will review again the animals. Okay, the last time we learned about the animals on the farm. Okay, now do you remember what animal says moo, 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 moo? What animal is this? What animal? Now look at the teacher, okay, and guess what animal says moo, moo, moo. Yes, good job. It's a cow. Very good. Cow. Cow. Everyone say with the teacher, okay? Repeat after teacher. Cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Moo, 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 moo. It's a cow. Very good, everyone. Okay, and the next. Now, everyone, the next animal. What animal says neigh, neigh, neigh? What animals? What animal is this? Neigh, neigh. Yes, very good, everyone. It's a horse. Good job. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. Neigh, neigh. It's a horse. It's a horse. Neigh, neigh. Good job, everyone. Okay, and the next animal. Can you guess what animal is this? What animal is this? What animal is this, everyone? What animal is this? Yeah, good job, everyone. It's a chicken. 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 Good job. It's a very good. Well done. Good job, everyone. Okay, and the next, everyone, look at here. What animal said meow, meow, meow? Yay! Good job, everyone. It's a cat. 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 It's a meow, 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 meow. Good job, everyone. Okay, and the next, what animal said oink, 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 oink? What animals? Oink, 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 oink. Yes, good job, everyone. It's a pig. It's a pig. It's a pig. It's a pig. Everyone, look, listen, and repeat after teacher, okay? Today, we will learn about the new animals on the farm, okay? Everyone, what animal is this? What animal is this, everyone? What animal is this? Yay! Okay, now everyone, listen to the teacher. Listen, listen, listen. Duck, 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 duck. Okay, everyone say duck, duck, duck. Good job, everyone. Now, everyone, what does the duck says? What does the duck say? The duck says quack, 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 quack. Good job, everyone. Now, everyone, look, listen and follow the teacher, okay? It's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. It's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. It's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. The duck say quack, 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 quack. Very good, everyone. Okay, now, everyone, the next, what animal is this, everyone? What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this? Yay! Okay, now listen. Dog, 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 dog. Okay, now everyone say dog, dog, dog. D, 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 G, G. Good job. Okay, now everyone. What does the dog say? What does the dog say? The dog say quack quack? No, the dog say oink oink. No, the dog say woof woof, woof woof. Good job everyone. The dog say woof woof, woof woof. Now follow the teacher. It's a dog. Woof woof, woof woof. It's a dog. Woof woof, woof woof. Very good everyone. Okay, and the next animal. Now what animal is this? What animal is this everyone? Do you know what animal is this? Now listen to the teacher. Listen. Look at my mouth. Sheep, 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 sheep. Okay, now everyone say sheep, 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 sheep. Good job everyone. What does the sheep says? What does the sheep says? What does the sheep says? The sheep said woof woof. No, the sheep says quack quack. No, the sheep said ba ba. Yay, very good everyone. Everyone say it's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Ba ba ba. Very good everyone. It's a sheep. Ba ba. Good job everyone. Yay. Okay, now everyone, do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Say yes I do. Yes I do. Yes I do. Okay, now everyone, everyone look at the picture, okay, and guess what animal is this? Okay? Yes? Okay, now look at the picture and guess what animal is this? Okay? Yes. Look carefully and guess what animal is this? Yes? Okay? Are you ready everyone? Say yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Question number 1. Everyone, look here. Look here. Oh, look at the picture. Look at the picture. What animal is this? What animal is this? What animal is this? You know what animal is this? It makes the sound moo, 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 moo. What animal is this? What animal is it? You know? What animal is this? Raise your hand. What animal is this? Yeah. Okay, now everyone, let's count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! What animal is this everyone? It's a cow. Yeah, the cow makes the sound moo 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 moo. Good job. Okay, the cow likes to eat grass. Yes. Okay, it's a big farm animal. It provides milk. Yes. And the next pictures. Okay, question number 2. Now everyone, look at the picture. Look. What animal is this everyone? What animal is this? Ooh, it makes the sound cluck, 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 cluck. And it can lay eggs. It can lay eggs. Yes? Okay. What animal? What animal? Yay, very good everyone. It's a chicken. Good job. Everyone see? It's a chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Very good. It's a chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Good job everyone. Do you like to eat eggs? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, I do. Okay. I like to eat egg. Yes. Yes, everyone. Now, look at the picture number 3. Picture number 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now, look carefully. What animal is this, everyone? What animal is this? What animals? Raise your hand. What animal? It makes the sound ba, ba. Yes, what animal is this? You know? Raise your hand. Yay! Okay, everyone, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow! It's a sheep. Sheep says ba, ba. Very good, everyone. Good job. Okay. It's a sheep. The sheep likes to eat grass. Yes, the sheep likes to eat grass. Good job. Okay.
Bye, goodbye. Bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, goodbye. Bye, goodbye. Bye, goodbye. Bye, goodbye.